Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss on measure grouping. Before we start creating a lot of measures using DAX, first we can group them into different folder structure. Okay. So as you can see on the right side, all these are tables. There are 5 different tables. Okay. So already we have created few measures here. Total sales, total cost, right? You can identify them with this calculator symbol. So even if you go to this table, they are you cannot see them because you already learned, right? So they are not part of this table. Okay, although the total sales is referring to this total revenue, which is of course it's on sales table, but it is not linked to this table, right? It's not physically sitting with this table. In that case, we can move them to different folder like structure, so that it's a good way of organizing things. Okay, so for that, what we can do is we can go to this enter data on the top. Okay, click on enter data, and I'm going to create a dummy table here. I can call it as a measure groups. Load. As you can see, a table is created. Now what I can do is I can select this total sales, and can see there's a home table option which says right now it is sitting under home table. And use this option to move across this new table that we have created, so that the total sales will be automatically moving there. Okay. So now what I can do is I can delete this column 1, which was created just now, which is an empty column. Now observe the symbol of this. The measure groups symbol is now changed, right? You can see the measure group symbol is now changed. That means this is the way that we can hold all these measures into one single umbrella. It's a good way of organizing things. Okay. Similarly, you can select other measures. If you can quickly move them across, select this and measure groups, and select this measure groups. So we are able to successfully move all the measures into one single measures group. Okay. So not only this, there's another option that you can further divide them into different categories. Let's say you have 20 measures, like maybe 5 measures are related to some different category, and remaining 10 measures are from different category. So you can again create subfolders under measure groups. So how is that possible? You can go to the model view. Okay. Go to the model view and can just try to select these measures. Let's say I wanted to select this total cost to, let's say, costing group. Just for the example purpose, I'm saying I select this total cost, and there is an option called display folder here. You can select this display folder and write it costing. So any folder called costing will be created, and automatically this total cost will be moved under that. You can see. Now select total sales and mention it as sales. Okay. Select here. Automatically this will be moved under this particular folder. Okay. Even this total sales I can move into the same sales. So if you wanted to move the other measure also into that, can again type in the same folder name by selecting those measures that you wanted to move. Select here, click somewhere else, so that automatically it will be moved back to that sales. So now what happened? We are able to organize again a subfolder under measure groups. So this is a very good way of holding all the measures together. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start off with anyways with measures. So I wanted to move them across, as and when we finish some set of measures, we'll try to categorize them into proper grouping structure, so that it is easy for us to further refer to the same file.